Welcome to Nana's Cook and Craft Corner. On this video, I will be making these cute little boxes. They're great for any kind of treats, and I'm going to measure them. Alright, so the height is like about 1.5, and the width is 2 inches, and I believe it's 2 inches, so it's 2 inches by 2 inches, with the height being 1.5 inches. Alright, so I'm going to bring in my scoreboard and let's get started. Alright, I'm going to score it out 1.5, 3.5, and 5. I'm going to turn it on its side, and this is the 7.5, so it's 5.5 by 7.5, and we're going to score it at 1.5, 3.5, 5, and 7. Alright, so let's burnish it. I'm just going to use my hands on this one because I don't want to use a burnishing tool, because it's just too much. It might crack the paper, and right now it's perfect. So we're just going to be burnishing it with our hands. If you're using something more stronger, then sure, burnish it really good. Most videos tell you to burnish it really good, and it depends on what you're using though at the time. Alright, so we are going to show you. We're going to start off by cutting these two sections. So just right here, and I'll show you every time on the camera. So I'm going to take this part off. Okay, this part off. So we're at this part right here right now. This is going to become the lid, so we're going to go up here. I'm just trimming it here, and I'm going to diagonally cut this right across. We're going to do over next to it, and we're going to come here and cut in, and this is like right to that one line, the score line here, which is the 5-inch score line on here. And I'm going to take this, diagonally cut this a bit, because like I said, this is going to become the lid, the front lid part. And you're going to cut up these two sections. So I'll finish this one side. And up here too. Now, we don't need this one, so we're going to cut off this section. This is the front. So I'm going to come across and cut this one off neat, because it'll be in the front of the box. These two here, so we have it like this so far. This is the front lid. These two are going to come over and close. So we're going to cut this halfway between this score line and this score line. And as I build the box, you'll understand when everything will make sense. Go up to here, do the half. Alright, so it looks like that so far. Now on the bottom, you're going to do is you're going to come across and cut all 1, 2, 3 lines, just to here. So that would be, I'm just think of the 1.5 inch line. It's right here. So there we go. There we go. So we got that so far. Now I'm going to fake the box so you understand what I'm talking about. And these two are going to get cut in half, because we don't need that, the whole thing. Just close it up about half, 3/4 half. Alright, so let's get off that. So we're just going to close it together so show you what it looks like. If I were to form the box, this is going to get glued onto here to here. It's going to close in, this will close up, and that's the front of the box. Under here, these are the two side flops. You're going to fold the bigger one here, down, and there you have the box right here. It's all put together. Before we even do that or glue it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a circle, this one here first. It's easier to do it. And I recommend don't put the box together before you make sure you cut that. I have a 1-inch scallop punch. I'm going to go in to the center as much as I feel what is the center. Square it off, punch it up. All right. So now, and to make it easier too, you can put the acetate. A lot of times I'm putting the box together and put the acetate after, and it works, but this probably is more easier when you're doing it here. So all you need, and I believe this is 2 by 2. Yeah, I think that's by 2 square. It's a little less than 2 by 2. Just enough to cover in here the acetate. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just cut a piece of acetate. Alright, sorry, the film died. We just noticed it after, but I'm going to show you. I'm putting, the last thing I'm doing is putting the acetate on, and this is what I did next. Here's my page of how I drop things up, and you're going to actually glue it together. So this little section here, right here, put glue on it, and this will glue together right there. And we'll put the two sections together here. Alright, so when we flip it upside down and it's all glued together, these two are cut on the other one. They come in, and you're gluing here or here, and put this down, and then it's done. So you glue this section here and this section here. That's the only two pieces of glue, and then it looks like this. The box comes together. I put the little flower on here, but before I put the bow, I'm going to come in here with a 3/4 inch punch and just put a little section here, not too deep, just a little bit, so that when you open the box, and I'll show you in 1 minute, close the box up. You'll be able to pull it out really easy. Okay. So I'm going to put the glue down here, and the last thing I have to do is glue on the bow. Alright, we're bringing all these little boxes. This is to give you ideas how you can decorate them in different ways, different color bows, whatever way you'd like to decorate them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.